Making Friends with Cookies, Part 3. Let's read the text. I work in the gym above the bank. Alex asks for another cookie. But I'm also an artist. I want to paint the local mountains, and the forest here is amazing in the autumn. Daphne arrives at 5 o'clock and says hello. Then she starts to laugh when she sees that the big cookie box is empty. So there, pause and read the text one more time. Now let's take a look at the meaning of these items. Above means over or higher than. So the gym is on the floor above the bank. Maybe the bank is on the ground floor and the gym is on the first floor. There is a bird above the house. Can you see it? Let's put this picture above the sofa, over the sofa. There are a lot of fireworks in the sky above this town. Ask for means that you say, can I have, or can you give me? You see a couple of examples on the right. Can I have a cake, please? Can you give me a pencil? So someone is asking for a pencil. Let's see some more examples. If I have a problem, I ask for advice from my dad. Claire asked for £50 because she wanted to buy a dress. Why did Mina ask for my drone? Did she want to take more photographs? Yes, look at this. She flew it above a pretty little island. Artist is a person who paints pictures, like the guy that you see in this picture. Picasso was a famous Spanish artist. Mel is an artist who only likes to paint animals. Amazing means fantastic or incredible. That movie was amazing. I want to watch it again soon. Kathy takes amazing photographs of the sea. She takes fantastic photographs. This is from an amazing picture, The Starry Night. The name of the artist who painted it is Vincent van Gogh. Autumn is the period after summer and before winter. In the autumn, some green trees change colour. School starts again in autumn after the summer holiday. In October, the parks in England look amazing. Some of them look amazing. Some trees have beautiful colours in the autumn: yellow, brown, orange, red. Arrive means to get to a place. The mail arrived. There are 2 letters for you. Every day we arrive at home after 8 o'clock. At is used with clock time to say what time something happens. So, on Sundays, we usually get up at 10 o'clock. So before the number, we say at when we are telling somebody the time. Lessons begin at 8:30 in many schools in the UK. We've got a lot of time. Our train arrives at 7 o'clock. Let's practice using some of those items. Again, you see a text with 5 gaps, and now take your time, try to find the right word for each gap. So pause here. And now if you're ready, we can see the answers together. Alex asks for another cookie. He works in a gym above the bank. But Alex is also an artist. He wants to paint the forest, which looks amazing in the autumn. So that's the end of part 3. As always, I suggest that you try to learn the last paragraph, to try and in this way learn the words easily, and speak to you then again in another group.